Well, greenwashing is one of the problem because officially investors they are demanding for more real-time data, and companies actually have a larger problem because they cannot commit to some goals for their ESG compliance because they don't have access to what needs to be done. Everything is very complicated right now. Every department needs to be involved. There is a lot of miscommunication between departments. On logistics, for example, they need to gather some data, then they need to send it to accounting, and everything is a complete mess, to be honest, right now on the ECG compliance market. So what we're trying to do, there are some AI functionality on the space already. We want to go directly to the source and help companies to gather the data through AI, analyze it through AI, and then do the report also through AI. We are aware that on the artificial intelligence model right now, there's not a very deep capability of issuing the report in the final form as any regulator would accept it. So we will have specialists in ECG compliance that will analyze the reports for us, and we want to offer this as a service to companies. We want to try to help them eliminate most of the cost and time that is being spent for gathering and counting data and putting it into a report for them. And we want to give access to investors to real-time data. So I think right now, for me, for example, and I'm not in the space for a very long time. I'm not in the ECG compliance market for a very long time, but it's kind of a puzzle for me why, with all the technology progress that has been done in the last 6 years, we are not in the place where a company, a multinational company, does not have to spend $60 million a year in order to be ECG compliant and in order to issue this ECG compliance to reports to the regulators. And why companies like all the car manufacturers, for example, from Europe, shouldn't have to pay billions of dollars in fees to European unions like they did last year in December, just because they didn't have all the ECG compliance reports on time.
Right.
So that's what we want to do.